To see it in your mind is to plant the seed of its reality. Neville Goddard. Visualizing your desires is not just a fanciful notion, but a profound practice rooted in the understanding that the mind holds the key to shaping your reality. The idea that seeing it in your mind leads to having it in your life is grounded in the concept that our thoughts and imaginations are powerful forces in manifesting our dreams. By developing the ability to vividly picture and emotionally connect with your goals, you harness a creative power that influences the material world. To start with, let's explore the fundamentals of visualization. Visualization is the process of creating a detailed mental image of what you want to achieve or obtain. It involves using your imagination to see your desires as if they have already come to fruition. This mental rehearsal helps to set a clear intention and align your subconscious mind with your conscious goals. The more specific and detailed your visualization, the more effective it becomes. Imagine not just the end result, but also the sensations, emotions, and experiences associated with achieving your goal. An essential aspect of effective visualization is emotional involvement. Emotions are the driving force behind your manifestations. When you visualize your desires, it's crucial to engage with the positive feelings that would accompany their realization. For example, if you are envisioning a successful career, feel the excitement and satisfaction as if you are already experiencing that success. This emotional connection strengthens the impact of your visualization, making it more compelling and real to your subconscious mind. Another key element of visualization is repetition. Consistent practice is vital to reinforce your mental imagery and maintain focus on your goals. Set aside dedicated time each day to practice visualization. This could be in the form of a morning routine, a few minutes before bedtime, or any time that fits your schedule. The more frequently you engage in this practice, the more entrenched your desired outcome becomes in your subconscious mind. Over time, this constant reinforcement builds a powerful foundation for manifesting your goals. Additionally, creating a vision board can be a helpful tool in the visualization process. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and desires. By displaying images, words, and symbols that represent what you want to achieve, you keep your goals prominently in your mind. Regularly reviewing your vision board helps to maintain focus and reminds you of your aspirations. This tangible reminder serves as a constant source of inspiration and motivation. It's also important to understand the role of belief in the manifestation process. Belief acts as a catalyst that fuels your visualization efforts. If you harbor doubts or disbelief in the possibility of your goals, it can create resistance and hinder your progress. Cultivating a strong belief in the feasibility of your desires is crucial. Challenge any negative thoughts or limiting beliefs that arise and replace them with affirmations that reinforce your confidence and determination. Strengthening your belief aligns your entire being with your goals, making it easier for them to manifest. In addition to visualization and belief, taking practical steps towards your goals is essential. While mental imagery and positive thinking are powerful, they should be complemented by tangible actions. Identify the steps you need to take to move closer to your desires and implement them consistently. This proactive approach demonstrates commitment and keeps you aligned with your goals in the physical world. Another effective strategy is to use gratitude exercises in conjunction with your visualization practices. Gratitude exercises involve reflecting on and expressing appreciation for the aspects of your life that you are thankful for. By regularly acknowledging the positive aspects of your current reality, you cultivate a mindset of abundance and appreciation. This positive mindset aligns with the energy of your desires, making it easier to attract what you seek. Combine this with your visualization by imagining yourself being grateful for the fulfillment of your goals. This approach not only strengthens your emotional connection, but also enhances the overall effectiveness of your manifestation efforts. In addition to scripting and gratitude exercises, consider incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that reinforce your goals and desires. Engaging in regular self-reflection can also provide valuable insights and enhance your manifestation practice. Self-reflection involves examining your thoughts, emotions, and actions to gain a deeper understanding of your internal state. By reflecting on your experiences and progress, you can identify any areas of resistance or misalignment that may be affecting your manifestations. Addressing these insights with targeted adjustments helps to fine-tune your approach and align your practices with your desired outcomes. It's also beneficial to explore the concept of energy alignment. Your energy, comprising your thoughts, emotions, and actions, plays a significant role in shaping your reality. To align your energy with your desires, focus on maintaining a high vibrational state.
This means staying positive, proactive, and receptive to opportunities that resonate with your goals.
Engaging in activities that uplift and energize you, such as exercise, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones, contributes to a higher vibrational state. A positive energy field attracts similar frequencies, facilitating the manifestation of your desires. Another powerful approach is to practice mindfulness in conjunction with your manifestation efforts. Mindfulness helps you to stay grounded and present, reducing stress and anxiety that can impede your progress. By being mindful of your thoughts and emotions, you can more effectively direct your focus towards your goals and maintain a clear mental picture. Mindfulness practices, such as deep breathing or meditation, help to create a calm and centered state that enhances your ability to visualize and manifest your desires. Engaging in creative visualization techniques can also expand your manifestation practice. Creative visualization involves using your imagination to explore different scenarios and outcomes related to your goals. This approach encourages you to experiment with various aspects of your desires, such as how they might unfold or how they might impact your life. By exploring different possibilities, you deepen your connection with your goals and enhance your ability to manifest them. Additionally, integrating daily rituals into your routine can reinforce your manifestation practice. Rituals, whether they are morning routines, evening reflections, or specific ceremonies, create a sense of structure and intention around your manifestation efforts. Establishing these rituals helps to solidify your commitment and keep your focus consistently aligned with your goals. So consider the role of intuitive guidance in your manifestation journey. Intuition often provides subtle insights and nudges that guide you towards opportunities and actions that align with your desires. By cultivating a strong connection with your intuition, you can navigate your manifestation process with greater ease and clarity. Trusting your inner guidance helps you to make informed decisions and take inspired actions that support your goals. Being patient and persistent is also vital in the manifestation process. Sometimes the results of your visualizations may not appear immediately. It's important to maintain faith and continue your practices even if you don't see immediate changes. Trust in the process and stay committed to your goals. Your persistence, combined with your visualization efforts, will eventually lead to the realization of your desires. One additional aspect to consider is the influence of your environment. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive individuals who encourage your growth. A nurturing environment can enhance your visualization efforts and provide the encouragement you need to stay motivated. Conversely, negative or skeptical influences can create obstacles and undermine your progress. Choose your surroundings wisely to create a supportive atmosphere for your manifestations. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can also benefit your visualization practice. Mindfulness helps to keep your mind focused and reduces distractions that can interfere with your visualization efforts. By staying present and aware, you enhance your ability to concentrate on your goals and maintain a clear mental picture of your desired outcomes. Remember to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Acknowledging and appreciating the progress you make reinforces positive feelings and motivation. Celebrating milestones helps to build momentum and keeps you inspired to continue working towards your goals. Each achievement, no matter how minor, is a step towards realizing your ultimate desires. As we wrap up this exploration of the power of visualization and manifestation, it's clear that the ability to see your desires in your mind plays a crucial role in bringing them into reality. By consistently practicing visualization, engaging emotionally with your goals, and incorporating techniques such as scripting, gratitude exercises, affirmations, and mindfulness, you lay a solid foundation for achieving your dreams. The key is to maintain a positive outlook and stay committed to the process, making sure your actions align with your intentions. Visualization isn't just about imagining success, it's about deeply experiencing it in your mind. This mental rehearsal sets the stage for your desires to materialize in the real world. By repeatedly focusing on your goals and maintaining a clear, vivid picture of what you want to achieve, you align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcomes. Each technique you incorporate, from creating a vision board to practicing gratitude and self-reflection, adds layers of depth to your manifestation practice, making it more powerful and effective. In summary, seeing it in your mind and having it in your life involves a combination of vivid visualization, emotional connection, belief, and action. By consistently practicing these principles, you align your mental and emotional state with your goals, creating a powerful force for manifestation. Maintain focus, take practical steps, and stay patient as you work towards your desires. The process of visualization is a dynamic and changing practice that can profoundly impact your reality. If you found this discussion helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us provide more valuable content to help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and insights on manifestation. Sharing this video with others who might benefit is greatly appreciated. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're ready to manifest your desires, hit that subscribe button for more empowering content.